Bharti Airtel is a global telecommunication company. It operates across 20 countries in Asia and Africa region. And Airtel has got approximately 423 million subscribers across the base. As a telecommunication company, we are not only into the telecommunication, but we provide the broadband services, we provide the DTH services, we provide the Airtel Payment Bank, and we provide the Wynk, which is our music and video app as well. And along with that, we also have a suite of services wherein provide IoT services as well. This pandemic of COVID, we knew very little, but when it came, it all came suddenly. And ever since in the March when came, we had hardly a weeks of time to prepare ourselves to meet this particular catastrophe. Ultimately, what happened? We had to work and we had to put day in, day out to ensure that not only our remote users who has been declared to work from home, they are equipped enough to work remotely, but also we had to ensure that since nobody is going to be in data centers, nobody is going to be office, then how are we going to sustain with the infrastructure availability part? These were the challenges which we faced. But luckily, we were able to manage, and in a weeks of the time, we almost enabled 70,000 people in Airtel and the partner community on remote working, which helped us. That was a mix of definitely VMware's Horizon and the Workspace ONE had contributed massively, and people are using even today also, and they are helping us out. Addition to that, we also had enabled since already that using the VRA, how can I enable our developers community so that they can provision the machines as and when needed. They need not to come to office, no manual intervention, nothing is needed. They were able to provision new machines to cater the business load and anticipate any challenges which comes to be. And definitely the NSX piece of the Word, which has been running fantastically in the Word, that has helped us out in ensuring that the underlay network is absolutely running in a healthy state and running perfectly fine. VMware's services has helped us in not only the collaboration, but ensuring that all the piece of the work, whether it is a network, whether it is a server, whether it is a storage, or it is related to any virtualization, say storage technology, or anything else like foundation blocks, DNS, load balancer, firewalling, all these piece of job which used to be in a disintegrated way are all converged in a single way. So that has really changed the life at Airtel, and that's how we and our developer is meeting with that, and definitely we are enjoying the features and the functionality in an integrated way with the VMware suite which we have got it for sure. In the near future, we are also exploring that the advanced load balancer, because the demo and the POC which we have done, it absolutely beautiful product. The kind of GUI, the kind of visibility, the telemetry which you get from the load balancer, this heavy load balancer, absolutely phenomenal. And definitely we would love to have that in our environment. And if that comes out to be, definitely our intelligence and the analytics part will definitely get improved a lot.